Hey guys, we're here at Fingerprinting Express today. I got Paul Caruso and Bo Free of UV Clean USA. We are sanitizing our entire office with some amazing technology that the guys came out with. So we're excited to introduce them and show you a little bit of the video. Is there a number of people can contact you at, Bo?
Yeah, they can reach me on my cell phone, 702-271-6929.
Come on in, check this out. We can't get too close to it. Paul, you got any information?
Yeah, you can get close to it through the window because it won't go through the window, so you can get as close as you want, but you don't want to be inside there while that UV light's on. It's super strong.
So this is going to kill all of the bacteria, all the virus, coronavirus, and you guys have some nano stuff you spray afterwards as well, yeah?
Yeah, we come back in with the fog that will lay down on top of the all the surfaces, and it'll keep it sterile for 90 days.
That's amazing. Well, gentlemen, we go back 30 years. You know, we football brothers.
Yeah.
I appreciate our second job coming in, taking care of our staff and our healthcare community.
Absolutely.
We appreciate you guys so much.
Yeah.
Good luck with the business.
If anybody else needs it, just give Bo a call.
Yep, hit me on the DM. I'll get you information. You got it. You got to get this going, guys. This is the next wave of sanitary applications for your house, your business, your car. Got to take care of ourselves. Thanks.